Hi everyone, good morning. Now I'm going to sing an a cappella version of From This Moment by Shania Twain. And first off, I'd like to introduce the people whom I dedicate this beautiful song. Hi to my cousin Anya and to beautiful Auntie Mimi. Hello. You should listen very well because this is just for you and I hope you guys like it. Here we go. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside you. It's where I belong. From this moment on. From this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hands to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this. There is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on. Yay! Bye!